Most of the businesses don't have marketing problem. They have a disconnected system problem. Your website sits in one place, your CRM sits somewhere else, your content teams work separately, your proposals are manual, your leads get delayed, and then business wonder why growth feels slow. At Override, we look at the entire journey from brand positioning to cinematic visualization to websites to AI workflows to custom business systems, because growth doesn't come from one tool. It's come from connecting everything together. If your business still run on WhatsApp, chats, Excel sheets, and follow-ups that depends on your memory, it's probably time to redesign your system, not the just website. Thank you.